Hello, I introduce myself. My name is Salah El-Khattab. I am a cloud solution architect. Having more than 30 years of experience in software solution development and architecture. I am the founder of Aliaasoft Technologies in 2007. Today we are going to talk about Aliaasoft Technologies solutions. First, Aliaasoft Technologies solutions are cloud-based. Everything is happening at the cloud level. We use AWS, which is the Amazon cloud, and also we use the Microsoft cloud, which is Azure cloud. In the future, we will integrate the Google GCP cloud. Speaking of solutions, Aliaasoft Technologies offers services and solutions. In the solutions we have the Human Resources Management, HRM, we have the Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, we have the Customer Relationship Management, CRM, the solution of the management of the production, MPM, or Manufacturing Process Plan Management. We also have the Supply Chain Management, CSM, which is the stock management and supply, the e-commerce or the drop shipping, and finally we have the Identity Authentication Management, IAM, which allows the management, identification and authentication of users, which is based on the security standards used in the banking field. Now, let's talk about the benefits of our solutions. So, as we said, our solutions are highly secure. We also carry out regular updates to monitor the security part. On the other hand, the solution offers complete isolation of the customer area. Let me explain. Each client has his own isolated workspace, and in no case this space can be violated by anyone. Another advantage of Aliaasoft's solutions is auto-scaling, which means the customer's system will expand depending on the load. Example: as soon as the use of the client's virtual machine exceeds the 80%, only another virtual server is created automatically and without human intervention. These two servers continue to work until the only one of 80% is reached again. A third virtual server is created, and so on until we reach a certain number of instances equal to the maximum desired by the client, and we add more instance. Now if the load decreases, and we have for example 4 instances, the system automatically reduces the number to 3. It waits until it goes down above the minimum threshold, which is for example 40%, the system will reduce the number of virtual servers by 1 instance, and so on until there is only 1 instance left. This is what we call auto-scalability. The next benefit of Aliaasoft Technologies solutions is load balancing. Load balancing is to restart the load on the client's servers based on location and geolocation. For example, an e-commerce is so users can be anywhere or in the world. The load balancing works as follows: the client's main server is located in Canada in Montreal. It can do read and write operations, knowing that write operations are much more expensive in processing time while writing operations are fast. So we create copies of Montreal's main virtual server all over the world. We have a copy in Germany, in Frankfurt, a copy in Tokyo, Japan, a groupie in Sydney, Australia. When a user of one of our customers accesses his e-commerce, the system locates the location from which this user makes his request. If he finds, for example, this user is located in France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Ireland, or anywhere in Europe, or in North Africa, he will redirect to Frankfurt. If it detects it in Mexico, the United States, or Canada, it redirects to Montreal. However, if he is in the Middle East, in Eastern Europe, in Asia, he will direct him to Tokyo. And if he finds himself in Southeast Asia, South Africa, or South America, he will direct him to Sydney, Australia. This is what we call the load balancing. So the solutions of Aliaasoft Technologies work with this revolutionary concept. When a client who has been directing it to a local server wants to write, the local server sends it to Montreal, who takes care of the operation, is what is called the delegation of tasks. The server of Montreal in this case, will take care of the request, will treat it, and once the treatment is finished, it will update the local servers. It will update the local servers so that it can reflect up-to-date data. So the solution that is based on the security of the load balancing, the auto-scaling, represents a revolutionary solution. Moving on to the benefit of backups. Aliaasoft's solutions benefit from a backup service that is a fully managed backup service that facilitates the centralization and automation of data backups across all Aliaasoft services in the cloud and on-premise, using AWS Storage Gateway from Amazon. The client can configure backup policies and monitor backup activities centrally. The backup service automates and consolidates previously performed service-by-service backup jobs, eliminating the need to create custom scripts and manual processes. With just a few clicks in the Aliaasoft portal, you can create backup policies to automate backup planning and resource retention management. This backup service provides a fully managed policy-based backup solution that simplifies your backup management and allows you to meet your commercial and regulatory backup compliance requirements. Another benefit of the Aliaasoft Technologies solution is related to disaster recovery or disaster recovery. Business continuity relies on the efficient and uninterrupted flow of data across an organization, from operations to execution through sales. Even a brief interruption in the continuity of workloads can lead to the loss of thousands of sales opportunities and disruption of production, as well as undermining customer confidence. The causes of these interruptions can range from natural disasters to mechanical failures or human error. You must have a proactive disaster recovery strategy on the cloud that keeps you up and running in the event of a short or prolonged downtime of your physical infrastructure. Aliaasoft Technologies customers of all sizes use this service to enable faster disaster recovery of their critical IT systems, without incurring infrastructure costs for a second physical site. Aliaasoft supports a number of disaster recovery architectures ranging from architectures created for smaller workloads to enterprise solutions that accelerate large-scale failover. Aliaasoft Technologies offers a set of disaster recovery services that allow you to quickly restore your IT infrastructure and data. Finally, you can monitor your instances with the Aliaasoft Advanced Monitoring Service, which collects and processes raw data from your servers into readable metrics that are available almost in real time. These statistics are saved for a period of 15 months and therefore you can access historical information and gain a better perspective of how your service or web application is running. Aliaasoft Technologies uses the pay-as-you-go principle. With Aliaasoft Technologies, you only pay for the services you need, as long as you continue to use them, without a long-term contract or complex license management. The pricing of Aliaasoft Technologies is similar to that of services such as running water and electricity. You only pay for the services you use, and if you stop using them, no additional charges or cancellation fees will be charged. Voila! We come to the end of this session. Have a good day. See you soon in another video. Do not forget to register and operate the bell. Thank you.